To make venison knockwurst, write down the following ingredients. Start by cutting 7 pounds of venison into chunks, as well as 3 pounds of fatty pork trimmings. Mix the pieces together and grind through a fine plate on a meat grinder. Once ground, set aside in a mixing tub or a meat mixer. Next, collect the following ingredients in a bowl. 1 cup of non-fat dry milk, 5 tablespoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of powdered dextrose, 2 teaspoons of Instacure No. 1, 5 tablespoons of ground white pepper, 1 tablespoon of mace, 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 2 cups of ice water. Pour into a blender and blend until all seasonings have been dissolved. Next, begin mixing the meat. Then pour in the blended seasonings as you mix. Once mixed, seal the meat in a bag and allow the meat to cure for 24 hours in the refrigerator. Next, take the cured meat and transfer it to a sausage stuffer and prime the horn. Next, take 35mm hog casings and wash them in cold water. Fill each one with water and swish using a seesaw motion. Load the sausage horn with a casing, working it on from a bowl of water in order to keep it wet. Once loaded, leave enough of the end exposed in order to tie it off. Tie it off using butcher's twine. With some help, begin filling the casings in this manner. Coil the sausage on the table in order to manage the long length. Make sure to leave a little bit of casing on the end and tie off using butcher's twine. Now take a sausage pricker and release any air pockets with a quick puncture. Next, make the links by pinching and twisting. Alternate the directions as you go along so the previous twist does not unravel. Once all the links are made, collect the sausage in a bin and set aside. In a hot smoker, place a hanging rack in the top of the smoke box. For optimal smoke coverage, hang the sausage in a way that the links do not touch each other. Then, shut the door and bring the temperature of the smoker to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Smoke for 1 hour using your desired wood. I prefer smoking with hickory chunks, but apple wood is another good choice. After 1 hour, raise the smoker's temperature to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook until the internal temperature of the sausage reaches 150 degrees. Then quickly cool off by opening the door and transfer to a bin until it's cool enough to handle. Finally, cut into individual links to serve or package for freezing.